Hello India. My name is Shashank Umesh Silve. I have made this project on topic effective recycling and proper disposal of waste. One day I observed that my grandmother was immersing flowers into the rivers, which was harmful for our rivers. Then I also noticed that many people do immerse the flowers into the rivers. These flowers mainly come from buildings, temples, and houses. When we immerse the flowers into the river get polluted and full of plastic bags and flowers. Around 8 million tons of flowers with full of plastic bags worshipped to God are thrown into the river every year in India. So I thought instead of polluting our river, we can make insane cones from these flowers. These flowers are made from uh, dried flowers and camphor powder, sandalwood, and ghee. These are our environment friendly insane cones. Then we can also make organic fertilizers. First we should add some soil, then we should add some buttermilk and then flowers and make it layer by layer continuously till the bottle is filled, and then we should keep it aside for 3 months. After 3 months we get our organic fertilizers, which are also referred as black soil. Then we should also immerse the garbage properly. We should immerse wet garbage into the green drums. We should immerse dry garbage into the blue drums. And nowadays, also some drums are available near the rivers where we can immerse everything related to God. So everything can be recycled properly. These small steps towards the nature can change India and make our India pollution-free country. Thank you.